Good morning, Sarah.
Morning.
Why do you look sad?
It's Monday.
So?
I don't like Mondays.
Every Monday you say the same thing.
Because Mondays are always bad.
Are they really?
Yes, something bad always happens. Hi, Sarah. Oh. Hi. You don't look happy. It's Monday. Again. I hate Mondays. But why? I don't know. I just do. That's strange. Sarah, can I ask you something? Sure. What was the worst Monday of your life? 3 months ago, I sent an important email to the wrong customer. Oh. My manager was really angry. And since then, you fear Mondays? I guess. Sarah, one bad Monday doesn't mean every Monday is bad. What happened last Monday? And the Monday before that? Nothing bad happened last Monday. Or the Monday before that. I think I've been stuck on that one mistake. See? You're afraid because of one old mistake. Wow. I never thought about it like that. Are you guys also scared of Mondays? Let us know in the comments.